Ever sent what you thought was the perfect message and she just stops replying? It's not about being normal. It's about connection, timing, and psychology. Today, I'll break down 10 reasons why she stops replying and how to fix it. Stick around because at the end, I'll share the number one game-changing tip that actually gets replies. Reason number one, lack of connection or chemistry. Even a polite message can feel flat if there's no spark. Example, hey, how are you? What you could do is you could add curiosity or personal touch. Ask something that invites her to share. Make it playful. Reason number two, timing or context. Sometimes it's not what you said. It's when she reads it. Messages during work, late at night, or stressful times may get ignored. Here's what you could do. Notice the patterns, but don't overthink timing. Reason three, unclear intent. Normal messages can feel neutral. She might wonder, is he interested or just chatting? What you could do is just add a little bit of humor, tease, or curiosity to make your interest clear. And reason number four, mismatch in communication style. Some respond to playful texts. Others prefer thoughtful or direct messages. A plain message might not match her style. And how to fix that is mirror her energy subtly. And number five, overthinking fear of vulnerability. She may hesitate if she fears judgment. Your normal message might feel safe, but not compelling. Here's a tip. Show warmth and safety in your tone. Reason number six, boring or predictable message. Example, hey, or how's your day is predictable. And what you could do is add a hook, a fun question, or something memorable about yourself. Reason seven, external life factors. Well, life happens. Stress, work, or personal stuff can pause replies. Here's the tip. Don't take it personally. Reason number eight, over-texting or under-texting. Too many messages, overwhelming. Too few, distant. Tip, find a balanced rhythm. Now we're down to reason 9, lack of emotional engagement. Normal messages often focus on facts. Here's the tip. Ask about feelings, thoughts, or experiences. Share a bit about yourself too. And down to the last one, the last but not the least, reason number 10. She's not interested. Sometimes it's not your message at all. She just isn't interested. And here's how you take it. Recognize it, move on gracefully, and focus on people who respond positively. And so it's not about being normal. It's about sending a message that sparks curiosity, creates connection, and feels genuine. If your messages are memorable and emotionally engaging, you'll get replies from the people worthy of your time. And so next time you send a message, don't be normal. Be interesting. Build curiosity. Engage emotionally. And show genuine interest. For the full guide on first messages that get replies, linked below, remember, connection beats normal every time. Send messages that spark curiosity, not just words.